China, a land of ancient history, modern skyscrapers, and endless curiosities. But what do my sister really think about this fascinating country since she is being here for almost a month? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. I am doing well too. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and share my video with your friends and family. As you already know, my sister came here for the first time. Now she is about to leave. Before she leaves, I want to ask her about her opinion about China. This is again a walk and talk video. We're gonna walk and have a little bit chit chat over the opinion about China. So I hope you will enjoy this video. She is here, we are enjoying the sun rays. There are some people who are waiting for this show. So this robot actually do some movement or some kind of light show, so everybody is waiting for that show. Here they wanna take pictures, selfie and everything, so we also waiting for that. Before we start, this show has been started. Look at this, the people gather here to watch. You can see this robot is moving, and we will also do some of the final shoppings before she go back to home, because we have our family and friends, so we're gonna give them some gifts. So we're gonna give them some gifts, so let's go and do some final shoppings. So here we got a mall, so we're gonna inside, because in China, in malls you will get a lot of things like food and also some drinks, so we're gonna find something for her.
Even I notice here is lots of camera.
Yeah,
I believe this is for public safety.
yes indeed. So if you see cameras, you are absolutely right. These cameras are just for safety of people, not to monitor you. This is also one of the misconception people have, because they've never been to China, so they think it's just for monitoring you, but believe me, it's just for safety of people. Let's go inside.
I like the flowers here. Look, so beautiful.
Yes, she is enjoying, but we cannot take this flower to India.
It smells so good.
And
Fresh. So fresh. Look at here also.
Yeah, so beautiful. So she gonna look for some beauty product also. If she wants, she can buy. Do you like something?
No, I'm just looking.
Yeah, you can find anything if we can buy for you. Just have a look. There are a lot of product in this shop. Look here, the car models, so many cars. Yeah, she really like these decorations. Actually, in few days, New Year is coming. That is also called Chinese New Year, and it is called Spring Festival too. So you will often see this kind of decoration around the shops and the public spaces. It looks so beautiful. Unfortunately, you are going now, so you won't be able to see the Chinese New Year. Hopefully, maybe next year, if you get chance, you stay here and enjoy Chinese New Year as well. Look at this. I'm gonna show you this. All are for decoration, is for Chinese New Year. Like friends and family give gift to each other. Lot of things. Look at this. Okay, this is candies. Actually, look at this. This is also, very digital. You need to select, and you need to actually select toys as well, and then you can choose the favorite one. So we mentioned like everything is digital here. She is shocked to see everything. Look at this Pop Mart. This is for toys, I guess. These people, they are taking some toys. She's so curious. We're gonna buy some breads, fresh bread from this shop. Look at this shop. We're gonna take something. We have already buy this fresh bread for us. We're gonna enjoy when we go home. Let's do more shopping. Look at, since New Year is coming, everywhere you will find the New Year decoration. The coming Chinese New Year is year of snacks, so you will see everything is in snack. Can you show her once?
Of
Look
course.
at this kitchen. Year of snack.
Hey sister, am I looking good?
Yeah,
Cute?
it looks so cute. Finally, we did a little bit shopping for our friends and family. So first thing we're gonna ask about expectation versus reality.
When I first came here, I had no idea what to expect.
Yeah, normally people do not have any kind of idea what to expect.
The reality, I found myself in city that looked science fiction movies, neon lights, skyscrapers, and everything just mind blowing. Beautiful, huge, shiny like from a science fiction movies, vast highway system, and fantastic looking restaurant and shops also. I thought it would be super traditional, but cities like Shanghai is more futuristic.
Yeah, in reality, China is massive, mind-blowing and huge regional diversities. And now let's talk about the people's behavior here in China.
People are more friendly here.
Yeah, when I first arrived here in China, I noticed the first thing people are more open here. Now let's talk about the crowd during rush hours.
I would say it's well managed.
Yeah, it's organized chaos and people just flow. Now let's talk about some of the misconception normally people have when they come to China. What do you think? What kind of misconception you have?
Before coming, I thought China food was just sweet and sour. I thought people only eat rice and noodles. I was wrong. My first real Chinese meal was hot pot. And let's just say, I didn't know spice until that day. And I tried it once and my tongue went numb for 10 minutes.
True, Chinese people do not only eat sweet and sour, they have a huge variety of cuisines like sweet, sour, spicy, and yes, indeed hot pot. Hot pot have different kind of varieties. Some of them are very spicy, like from Chongqing. If you try the hot pot from Chongqing, it's very spicy, I would say. You toss whatever you like meat, vegetable and noodles. You can cook it by yourself. Just be aware of spicy broth. But in reality, Chinese cuisine is way more diverse. Each regions have its own unique flavor and style of cooking.
Another myth, Chinese people can't speak English.
And I think most of the people who never been to China, they have this kind of misconception like Chinese people cannot speak English. However, in China, not everyone speak English, but it does not mean that they cannot. You will find many people in service industries like airport, hotel and restaurant who can communicate in English. Now let's talk about the culture shock. In fact, many of people who come to China first time, they get a lot of culture shock. So I'm gonna ask my sister, what's her culture shock?
My culture shock is public dancing and drinking hot water.
Yep, every evening public parks are transformed into dancing floor.
This is one of my favorite surprise. It's dancing in public park and it's so joyful. And it's not just for an exercise, it's a way to connect with the community.
Yeah, in fact, I have seen a lot of people here in China, they do dancing. The old people, they like to dance. Even in public park, even in some public squares, you will see often public dancing. It is a way to connect community and it's so much fun.
Another surprise, everything here is done on your phone. Paying for food, book a cab, even unlock a bike. It's so convenient that when I go back home, I find myself wondering why we still carry wallets.
Indeed, China is so convenient. You just need your phone and you are good to go for everything like mobile payment. Like mobile payment here in China is so convenient, so much convenient. Even I like this fact very much. Now this is the last segment which I am gonna ask her is what are the things she like about China.
One thing I absolutely love is the food. I love how safe it feels, even late night.
Yes, you can walk alone in the middle of night. It's very safe here in China. When we were walking in the night and she feels very safe.
and the history and culture are so rich.
Yes, even in India we have so much of history and culture. It feels like China also have so much rich history and culture.
High speed trains are incredible. Why don't we have this back home? And if you are traveling in a bigger city, the metro system are fast, affordable and pretty easy to navigate.
Yes, the high speed network in China is very convenient and which is mind blowing. Everything is super fast and on time. In India, sometimes the train system is not that good, not that punctual, I believe. And yes, everyone like the train systems here, railways. So I would say China is not just a modern, it's a future forward. So what are the one message you want to give to the people who want to come to China?
One thing I would say, definitely come to China, enjoy food and culture.
Yes, yeah, the food is more diverse, absolutely. And yes, the culture is too good here. Everybody has their own opinion, like why they want to come China. My sister wanted to enjoy the culture and also to enjoy some food. Thanks for sharing your thoughts and opinion about China. Hope she had enjoyed her time in China. I hope she will visit next time again. Since we talk too much, we're gonna grab some coffee or tea, then we'll talk more about the things because it's too cold and windy here right now. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to like and share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video with another good topic. Till then, bye bye.